Hey guys, my name is Allie and today I'm going to be unboxing the DJI Mini Fly More combo. So I just finished unboxing the actual box itself. I'm going to be showing you what is in my Mini 2 Fly More combo, as well as sharing why I chose this drone. I am a first-time drone user, but I've been wanting a drone for the longest time, not really knowing where to start. I did a lot of research though, and I ended up settling with the DJI Mini 2, and I thought that this would be the best choice for my needs. So first up in this bundle, we have the drone itself. Yay! So you can probably tell that this drone is incredibly small. It is the smallest DJI drone, super great for travel, super compact, and something that I really loved about this is that it can fit super easily into my travel backpack without taking too much space. I have relatively smaller hands and it fits perfectly in my palm. Super, super small. Another thing that led me to choose this drone was its overall price point. It is the cheapest of the DJI drones, but it still shoots 4K video. The quality of the video is what was most important to me. With that being said though, this is my first drone. I didn't think it was the best idea to spend thousands of dollars on my first drone. My thought is that if I end up really loving this and I think that the other features will really work for me in the future, I will eventually upgrade when I can justify spending that much money on a drone. This drone itself is about $450 and the Fly More combo is about $600, which I think was super affordable considering it takes great 4K video and it gets the job done. Anytime I've seen a video that compares this versus like the Air or something a little more advanced, I feel like it performed pretty well considering there's a pretty big price jump. The next thing in the bundle is the smart controller. Whoop. Regardless of if you get the Fly More combo or not, your purchase does come with this. You connect your phone to the remote via an RC cable and the joysticks allow you to control the drone while it is in flight. It is incredibly easy to use and super easy to charge. All right, next we have the batteries. The Fly More combo comes with 3 batteries and a 3-pack charger, which I found to be super handy because more likely than not, I'm probably gonna end up wanting to fly a decent amount. So if one runs out of battery, I don't have to wait the hour and a half that it takes to recharge. I can just grab one of the other ones that are full. In addition to the battery charger itself, it also comes with a USB box and various cords. So we have, the USB to C port. The battery pack itself has a USB and a C port, so there's various different ways you can mix and match your cords. It comes with a couple other ones as well, C to C, and then the standard charger and to the C port. We have all the additional pieces. As you guys know, this drone is super small, it is super light, which is great for traveling. However, the main thing that sets apart the Mini from the other drones is that it doesn't have as much spatial awareness, I guess, or protective features while it's flying. So if something happens and one of its little wings falls off, you got a bunch more. There's a bunch of different propellers and other little pieces which will come in handy if something happens to happen to it. And last but not least, we have the bag itself. So the bag is an additional thing. It costs about $40 retail price. So it is really nice to have in this bundle because it helps to carry all of the different items that you're going to be needing, such as the drone itself, the batteries, the cords, all of that stuff will all be in one place. All right guys, thank you so much for watching to the end. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to be flying this baby for the very first time either today or tomorrow, so please stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna link it up here when it is ready, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. I am just so stoked for the footage that I'm gonna end up getting with this. Fingers crossed I don't lose it in a tree or in a lake or something on my first day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!